Students, we shall learn today maths subject. In maths subject, I teach you today number work. We shall see what is a number. These are symbols, international symbols which are used to make numbers. After writing these symbols, I tell you what they are called. Now see, I wrote here some symbols. Those symbols are called numbers. These symbols are used to make numbers and those are called digits. How they are used to make a number? Now see, we have some fingers to our both hands. Why I used some? We didn't count them. That's why I say some fingers. I show you my right finger. To my right finger, this is a thumb. There is a one thumb. Thumb is one. I draw lines for fingers. Thumb is one. This which symbol is in the beginning is called one. This is next figure. One and one makes two. These are two fingers. I draw here two lines. This one is used to show the number one. Two is used to show two fingers. Then I add next finger. These are three fingers. Next symbol is 3. I draw 3 lines for 3. I add next finger. Total fingers are 1, 2, 3 and it makes 4. This side, this symbol is used to show 1, 2, 3 and 4. For one hand, these are fingers. I count them, adding remaining finger 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are 5 fingers to our hand. We have 5 fingers to one hand. We have, I add in those 5 fingers remaining fingers of other hand. This one, if I added 1, it makes 6. For 6, this symbol is used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next symbol is this. This is called 7. I add next finger 5 and 2. This 5 6 and 7. This symbol is called 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now next symbol is, I write here at first. If I add third finger of other hand, it makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I have counted 8 fingers, drew 8 lines for the 8th symbol. Next symbol is 9. If I add 4th finger of the other hand, it will make these 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 9. The 9 symbol, this symbol is used to show the number 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now last symbol is only around circle is. What is this symbol called? I give you more information about this symbol after some time. At first, here are 9 symbols and next symbol is called 0. I show you something. There are some pieces of charts. I put these in a box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Which symbols we use? I put pieces of chalks in this box. Here sound of chalks in the box. If I fold it and made the box empty. Empty means there is nothing in the box. Now listen. Can you hear sound in the box? There is nothing in the box. That's why you can't hear sound. That's why in the box there is nothing. It means that 0 means nothing. There is nothing in the box. Means there is no single piece of chalk in the box. The box is empty. 0 means nothing, means empty. Now see, this sign is used to show 0. Here, using the 0 sign, if there is nothing in anywhere, it makes a 0. But using the last sign, with the help of these symbols, we make more numbers. Those numbers are, here I write something with the help of 0. I took last 0 and first symbol is 1, and adding 0, it makes a number from 0 to the 0 to 9. These are called digits, these are symbols, but 1 to 9 are called digits, and those digits are 9, those are called one digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 9 are called one digit. But I made here next number of 9 adding 1. How I added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I added 1 more in the 9. Total it makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This number is called 2-digit number. After one digit, from 10, 2-digit numbers begins. We shall take more information about 2 digits in next video. At first, do some work using these symbols. I have made numbers 1 to 10 number. For practice, write these numbers on your notebook and try to draw them and recite them. You will understand how these symbols are used 1 to 10 number in writing numbers. In the lesson number work, we have learned today symbols from 0 to 9 and digit we made with the help of these symbols are called numbers. We shall learn from today on the number work with the help of these symbols.